A vehicle that is now discontinued, but we have one in stock. Take a look at this 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT in beautiful velvet red pearl. Comes equipped with a BI-XENON HID headlamp system, LED fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, Brembo brakes, power heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, remote start system. Only 42,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, select track system, heated rear seats. It also has a rear DVD entertainment system, an incredible dual-pane sunroof, power liftgate, and an absolute beast of an engine with a 6.4-liter V8 HEMI, and so much more. Please visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P6799.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.